Hi everyone, today's topic is primary data versus secondary data. The basis of comparisons are I have written here. Okay. The first basis of comparison is definition. First we write the definition and meaning of these two data. Then the second is nature of data. Then fourth one is process, that means this process, how much we need to involve in this process. Then cost involved when we go for primary data or when we go for secondary data, so how much will be the cost. Okay. Then time required. Next is accuracy, how accurate or reliable reliability reliable, how reliable primary data are or secondary data are. Then specific, how specific. Then the sources of primary data and secondary data. So these are the bases I have written on left hand side. On the basis of this we compare primary data and secondary data. So let's start with the first, meaning and definition of data. These are first hand data and secondary data are called second hand data. As we know, primary data refers to the first hand data gathered by the researcher himself from original source. So these are called first hand data, whereas secondary data is the data that has already been gathered or collected by others for his own purpose. Now the same data is using by somebody else for their purpose. So these are second hand data. Okay. Then the nature of the data. This is real time data because present data, so it is real time, original, we can say original, non fabricated, that means it is in the form of raw material. Okay. And the secondary data are past data because somebody else has gathered or collected this data. So these are generally past data. We can say processed data or fabricated data. These are in the form of finished product. Okay. Then process, when we go for primary data, it is very much we need to involve very much. So it is very involved, and here we get the data quick and easy way. Okay. No need to involve very much, just because we take from others record. Okay. So it is quick and easy. Next is cost involved. Cost involved means high cost because it is more expensive. Okay. When we go for primary data, but when we go for secondary data, it is cheap. Secondary data requires less money, hence it is economical. We can say this is economical when we go for secondary data because just we copied from others record. Next is time required. It is time consuming because we have to go to the source to collect the data, so it is time consuming, but here can be acquired quickly. This secondary data can be acquired quickly. Next is accuracy and reliability. When we go for primary data, it is more reliable or we get the more accurate result, but secondary data are less relatively. Primary data, it is less we get less accuracy and reliability. Okay. Next is specific, that means specific, here we get the specific, always specific to the researcher need. When we go for primary data, it is always specific to the researcher needs. Okay. And here may or may not be specific, sometimes we get the specific data or sometimes not. So may or may not specific. Then the sources, what are the different sources of primary data and secondary data. So the sources of primary data are experiments, personal interview, observation, survey. These are the sources for, that means we need to go for this when we go primary data. Either we do the experiment, or we go for personal interview, or we observe, or we do the survey and we collect the primary data. And the sources of secondary data is we take data from some books or journals, or we can gather from websites, or from articles, or government or non-government publication, or international or national publication. Okay. So, we get from the publications. So, these are the sources of secondary data. So, we need to compare primary data or secondary data on the basis of this points. Okay. These are the points. On the basis of this we compare primary data and secondary data. Thank you.